Guess what? Another week has gone by. That means we continue with the tradition of Slow Cooker Sunday. Today we break out a sponsor. It's one I think you're gonna like that complements Slow Cooker Sunday almost as good as a slow cooker. Pacific Foods Organic Bone Broth. With the help of this broth, we're gonna make this absolutely delicious and super easy slow cooker tortilla soup. That's great for meal prep, so let's just jump right into it. Start this one by browning 2 pounds lean ground beef or turkey. You could also use chicken, just make sure to cook it, either shred it or break it up first. Now get out your slow cooker, optionally line it for easy cleanup, then add in whatever meat you're using. Follow that with 1 can of enchilada sauce, 1 can of crushed or diced tomatoes, 1 can of chopped green chili peppers, 1 chopped up yellow onion, 1 package of frozen corn, some cilantro, 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1.5 teaspoons chili powder, a little salt and pepper, 1 to 2 bay leaves, 4 cups, your choice Pacific Foods organic bone broth. Pair it with your meat, so if you're using turkey, like I am today, use turkey bone broth. Mix all of those ingredients up, throw your lid on, and cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Once it's done, portion it out, top it with some sour cream, fresh avocado, and of course, tortilla strips. There's your slow cooker tortilla soup. I usually portion this one out into 7 servings. Couple tips. 1, make your own tortilla strips if you can't find bagged ones by either crushing up some hard shell tacos or brushing some soft shell ones with oil and baking them until crisp. 2, you can check out or find out where to purchase Pacific Foods organic bone broth in the description below or on my website, theproteinchef.co. This broth is not only awesome in these recipes, but they also make single serving ones in a bunch of different flavors that you can sip on. I actually had no idea this was a thing until recently. Not only that, but they're only around 45 calories and packed with around 9 grams of protein compared to 1 gram in a regular broth. Just one of those little things you'd never think of. And 3, last, if you're on the go and don't have a way to heat this one up, don't worry because it tastes great cold. With that, thank you guys for watching another Slow Cooker Sunday recipe. Don't forget to check out Pacific Foods Organic Bone Broth via the link in the description below and some of the other recipes we've done at the end of this video. Use the hashtag Slow Cooker Sunday and tag me at The Protein Chef so I can feature you. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you never miss a video. And of course, stay healthy.